My name is Jacob Bayliss. I'm the very new Chief Exec of LGBT Switchboard in Brighton. Switchboard is an organisation that's been supporting LGBTQ people in Brighton and Hove and further afield for about 45 years. Our name is Switchboard, so that gives you a bit of a clue. We started as a helpline for LGBTQ people, but we've grown to deliver much more than just our helpline. So at Switchboard, we offer a range of things, from group peer support projects like our Grief Encounters project, where people will come together who've experienced loss or bereavement and support each other in a safe space. But we also offer things like one-to-one support. So we have people like our social prescribing worker who'll meet up with individuals and help connect them with what they need, whether that's benefits or housing advice, or it could be all kinds of things. As well as that, we do consultation and research. So we'll go out into the community and find out what the wants and needs are. And then we'll represent those on behalf of LGBTQ people to organisations like the council and like the NHS and make sure that they're meeting our needs properly. So we do a whole range of things. So groups, one-to-one, and you can also engage with us over the phone. Obviously, there's our helpline or online as well. Coronavirus has had a really big impact on our services, and I'm really proud of the Switchboard team for the way in which they've been able to respond to such a huge change in the way we do things. A lot of our work happened face to face, and a lot of our work was about reaching out to people who can be quite vulnerable and quite isolated. And of course, coronavirus really can increase that risk of isolation. So what's changed is that we've been doing a lot online, but also that we've been trying to reach people who might otherwise be excluded by kind of going and doing garden visits and doing a lot more one-to-one work. So that actually takes up quite a lot more of our time and our resources, but it's really important that we don't let those people that we've been supporting kind of fall off the radar, and we make sure that they still have someone there for them when they need it. So our workers have been really busy making sure that everybody has, someone to chat to and nobody's going into crisis. Some of our projects will ask that you either live, work or socialise in Brighton and Hove, but if you want to give our helpline a ring, if you're in need of support, I would say please do get in touch. We can always have a conversation, and if it's not us that can support you, we'll make sure we'll find you someone who can. And I think sometimes you have to kiss a few frogs to find your prince, as it were. You have to try a few things that maybe don't quite work for you in order to hit on to the thing that really does and really makes a difference. And we've seen at Switchboard the impact it can have when somebody finds a service or finds a kind of support that works for them. And we've seen that happen in our projects time and time again. And I think the fact that our team are all LGBTQ themselves, and a lot of our team have lived experience of some of the issues and the intersections that we really focus on at Switchboard. Sometimes that creates a little bit of magic that means that someone really feels perhaps seen or understood for the first time and is able to really benefit from support in a way they haven't in the past.